You don't need your accountant to be a superhero.
But it sure does help.
Let's talk about it.
Let's be honest, most accountants just file what is due and do their best to keep you out of trouble. Some even struggle with this. They focus on compliance, doing just enough to keep revenue off your back. But if you're serious about growing your business, that just isn't enough.
What you really need is transparency and clarity.
Clarity on where your money's going, what you're paying in tax, most importantly, what you don't need to be paying in tax. You need someone who talks like a real person. No jargon, no fluff, just the facts. Then comes tactics, because great accounting isn't just filing returns. It's about knowing how to structure your company, when to draw dividends, when to reinvest, how to legally cut your tax bill, and how to think 5 steps ahead, not 5 months behind. This is where most accountants fall short. They react, while superhero accountants, they plan.
And finally, speed and efficiency.
If you're chasing your accountant for weeks or waiting months for a basic answer, it's already too late. Good advice, too slow, is bad advice. You need an accountant that keeps you moving. Fast responses, clear timelines, no ghosting, no delays.
And as for the small firm,
Yeah, sure they're friendly, but they don't really have the tax firepower or systems in place to truly scale a business.
Whereas the big ones, you're just a number, and the fees are painful.
And that's where us at Malone & Co. come in. We're big enough to bring strength and strategy, yet small enough to move quickly and actually give a damn. No ghosting, no buzzwords, just straight talk, tactical accounting that saves you money and gets results. Malone & Co. I'm not saying we're superhero accountants, but I'm not saying we're not. Follow for tax tips that actually help, and do feel free to reach out for any accounting needs.